Hi everybody, how's everybody out there in chemistry land? My name is Joel Castillo for Chemistry 1411. Dr. Fox, our instructor leader. I'm here conducting lab number 10, activity number 1. And first, I want to make sure we cover all the material that's needed in conducting this experiment. So we have a bottle of 15 milliliters, which is this right here. We have the plastic tubing, which is this right here. We have the yeast packet, which is this right here, okay? And then we have the hydrogen peroxide, which is this right here, all right? And then we also have the graduated 10 milliliter graduated cylinder, which is this right here, all right? And then we have the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, which is this right here, okay? And we also have a beaker, which is this right here. This is a 250 milliliter beaker, right? Okay. And we also have the weight boat, which is this container right here. You can see it. All right. And then we also have the electronic weigher for the properties. And we also have the tap water right here, and we will have the graphing program here on software. So that covers all the material that we are needing. In this experiment, we have to record the air temperature. So I'm going to record the air temperature and just kind of get a reading of what the air is. It appears that the air is exactly right about 17 degrees Celsius. I'm going to go ahead and mark that, record that. 17 degrees Celsius. I'm going to go ahead and record that in my paper. Celsius. Right, now, and now what I'm going to have to do is get some paper towels and make sure I don't get anything wet. I'm going to be pouring water into the graduated cylinder to determine if there's any gas or not. So let me just get my paper towels ready here. All right. All right, so I'm getting my graduate 250 milliliter beaker here. So in this first one, I'm going to have to pour. I'm going to fill the 50 milliliter cylinder completely with water. So I'm going to go, this is regular tap water, and I'm going to just fill it up. Okay, let's fill it with water. I'm going to put this over here, and I'm going to move this right here. And now the next step is to fill the 250 milliliter beaker completely with water. Okay, and at the top, and cap this, put this over here. And now, the next step is to have the tube and the dropper. I'm going to remove the cap from the dropper. I'm going to put it here, and then I'm going to connect the tube to the dropper here. Okay. And now the next step is to insert the opposite end of the tubing into the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder, which I do right here. And then the next step is to place my thumb, which I'm going to do here, over the 50 milliliter graduated cylinder and invert it into the beaker. Now, I'm going to go ahead and invert it. I'm going to pour it in there and invert it. Now, from what it appears, It's asking if there's any gas, and not to record if there's any gas in the graduated cylinder. It appears there, from what I see here in my view, there appears to be no gas expulsion or any gas activity in